Now I'm going to explain about the integration by parts, about the method 2. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let us see the first question. This is the first question, and this is the method we are going to use. Okay, so we are going to substitute this into dv. So this will represent as dv, and this cos 3x will represent as u. Actually, you can also represent this one as dv, but in order to lessen your burden, you can substitute this as your dv. This will ease your work. Let us see the first question. This is the first question, and as I say, this is your dv here. dv is e to the power of negative x. So if you integrate it, the v, you will get like this. Same as before, this is your u here, and if you differentiate it, you will get like negative 3 sine 3x. Now you are going to write in this form. So you first have to write u. This is your u, and you have to write here. And then you have to write v next. This is your v, you write here. And then now minus integrate symbol, and then v. This is your v here. du, you have to write here. This is your du. Okay, this is step 1. It's not finished yet. Step 2, you are going to integrate this one. Before that, negative times negative is positive, so you can write like this. And then now, like before, you are going to substitute this as dv. So you have to write here, and then you are going to integrate this in order to get your v. So if you integrate this one, you will get your v as this one. This is your u here, and then you have to differentiate it in order to get this one. So now you are going to write as before, like this form. So you first have to write u. This is your u. You have to write here. Then v. This is your v here. Minus integrate symbol. This is your v, right? So you have to write your v here. And then du. You differentiate just now, right? So you have to write here. Now if you see this function or equation have e and then cos, right? This one also having e and then cos. So you can move this here. Let us see how we are going to solve it. So you have to write that equation first. If you write it, you will get like this. Then you are going to move this to here. If you move this to here, you will get like tan integrate symbol, and then e to the power of negative x times by cos 3x. How you got tan? If you see, you are having sign, negative sign here. So if it move here, it will become positive sign. So 1 plus 9 is 10 here. Now you can substitute, you can factorize this one. So you can take that e to the power of negative x out of the bracket, and negative cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x will be left here. And don't forget to put the c. Now you can solve this equation. If you see, you are having tan here, right? So you can move this 10 here. So divide. And then this e to the negative e to the power of negative x, you also can write in this form. So 1 over ex. So you can write here. This is the final answer. Okay, let us see the second question. This is the second question. You have to write in this form, right? So first of all, you have to substitute u and dv. Okay, let us substitute this ln x as u. So if you differentiate this, your du will be like this. And then this x represent as dv. So if you integrate this one, you will get like this. So your v is equal to x square over 2. Now you are going to write in this form. First you have to write your u. This is your u here. And then v. This is your v here. Minus the integrate symbol v du. V here. And then your du. You have to write here. So x square over 2 times by 1 over x. So you can cut it, right? So x over 2 will be left. So now you can rearrange this one like this. And then minus, you can integrate this one. If you integrate this, you will get x square over 4. Last c. Don't forget to put this c. And then the final answer you can leave like this, or you can also factorize like this. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.